If you're looking for the ultimate silence, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are still the reigning champions. Their industry-leading noise cancellation melts away distractions, transforming your commute or office into a personal sanctuary. It's truly mind-blowing. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy non-stop audio for days, perfect for long flights or marathon work sessions. And the multipoint connection? Seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone without ever repairing, boosting your productivity and convenience. What truly sets these apart is how intelligently they adapt to your environment, dynamically adjusting sound based on your surroundings. For anyone serious about premium audio and unparalleled quiet, these are the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy right now. Find the Amazon link in the description to learn more. Every detail, from the comfort to the crystal-clear audio quality, is meticulously crafted for an immersive listening experience. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link below to see the latest deals on these amazing headphones. In 2025, if you're searching for the absolute best wireless noise-canceling headphones, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely worth it.